I have 10 months until I turn 21. I need to become a millionaire, at least a millionaire on paper. That is my goal. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing exactly how I plan to achieve this status, going through all of the ways I personally think that I can achieve the millionaire status by the time I turn 21. Most people my age are currently finishing off their university degree, whereas me, I need to hit this goal because when I was 16, I always told myself that I want to be a millionaire when I'm 21, and it is a goal of mine, and as soon as I hit that goal, I'm going to feel a great wave of accomplishment and move on to my next goal of 5, 10, 15, 20 million, etc. Now, this video is not a get rich quick guide. I have been hustling since I was 13 years old, but only about 2 to 3 years ago, I really started focusing on hitting that millionaire goal. So I'm going to just show you 5 specific ways that I want to get there, or 5 things that I'm doing or working on that I think could get me the millionaire status. The first one, I think probably the easiest one, yet also maybe even the hardest one, is exiting my current company. So if you don't know, I currently am the founder of an educational talent management agency. So it's essentially a marketing agency focused on the educational sector in the UK. So we manage about 110 educational creators on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and pair them with brands. In terms of the valuation of this, I would probably say this company is worth more than £1 million. Hence, I guess I am on paper a millionaire at the moment, but I want to go super conservative and not say that. But when I sell this company, I'm hoping for a exit of £1 million plus, just because I know that there is money in this business. I know that there are bigger agencies that would probably want to buy us out, because we have a whole chokehold on the educational market in the UK at least. So anyone that wants to work with these educational influencers has to go through TapLab, which is my company, and we've really fostered an amazing community, and I wouldn't just let go of it instantly. So yes, this is probably the fastest way that I could easily, hit the millionaire status if I haven't already with the company's valuation. In terms of how I'm valuing that company, I'm valuing it based on the creators that we have on board and their potential, as well as our monthly revenue figures, like yearly revenue figures, profits, etc. But we are definitely, in my eyes, more than £1 million company. The second way I think I can become a millionaire is by investing. But the problem is this is more of a long-term fix, because I definitely can't invest my way to becoming a millionaire in 10 months unless I'm super lucky and find the next like boom coin or boom stock, and that's just ridiculously risky. So instead, I'm just going to continue pouring a percentage of my monthly income into long-term investments, and these long-term investments are there for 10, 15 years down the line, not really 10 months, because of the compound interest that I will get on a yearly basis. I personally use Trading 212. You can use my code, I'll put it in the description, if you want free shares up to £100. I personally think this is the best investment platform. I have used all of the others, and I'm giving you my experience of using it. It's so easy to use and it's so intuitive. So if you are a complete beginner, it is great for you. But anyway, if I put about £5,000 per month into high growth stocks, then at least in the next decade, I know that this money is working for me behind the scenes. Obviously, I'm not going to put £5,000 a month because that is quite a lot, and I don't think I can do that, but I am going to try my best to do so. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because if my business does fail tomorrow, this strategy does give me a floor plan and actual backing to my wealth. It is the backbone to everything that I am building, and more importantly, it's the most important thing for my future self and my future portfolio that I will be relying on in 10, 15 years time. The third way I plan to become a millionaire this year is through property. So hopefully by the time you're watching this video, I will have bought my first ever property in Dubai, an apartment in Dubai Marina, a 1-bedroom, and what I plan to do is I plan to rent it out long-term or short-term Airbnb. I haven't actually decided yet, just to get the rental yield. The way it works is I'm putting a 20% deposit down, and then obviously I'm getting a loan on the rest of the value. But because obviously the tenant is paying the mortgage, I get a bit of profit each month. That tenant is basically paying off the mortgage and paying off the loan. My capital in the apartment is actually growing without me doing anything. So yes, even though the rental yields might be a bit lower, the capital appreciation is still there, and the tenant is actually just paying off my mortgage. So it's great. It's a win-win. Now, my plan is to do this multiple times a year, hopefully buy, if I can, 2 properties per year. I don't know how realistic that is, let's be so for real, because I'm not sure if I can even get another loan yet, because basically how it works is in Dubai, you are getting a loan based on your UAE income, your salaried income, and obviously I don't have much of that. Majority of my stuff is from the UK, and they don't give loans against that. So I don't know if it's possible, but If it is, I'm going to find a way and I'm going to do it again because I really do want to try getting 2 properties per year at least, because I'm basically building equity in an asset using someone else's money, i.e. the tenant's money. They're paying the rent covers the mortgage completely, plus I get a bit of profit. It's a win-win. The next way I plan to become a millionaire is through my content. Now, content I've been doing for the past 4 years, and it is a business model for myself because I generate money from it, whether it's through paid ads, AdSense, etc. This is more like my personal brand and a hobby rather than a business, but I do seriously want to make sure that I'm consistent with the amount that I'm earning each month, and hence it can cover my lifestyle. If I can stabilize this content to about $10,000 to $20,000 or pounds per month, that's about £240,000 a year on high margin profit that is going directly to me, no costs. So if I can continue that, then again, that can help me build my portfolio alongside all of the other things to reach that millionaire status quickly. And finally, the last thing that I kind of do at the moment to generate income is a lot of consultancy work. So I have a lot of clients, whether they're in the UAE or UK, there are a lot of companies that require help and advice that I have, specifically marketing, business strategy, business development. So what I do is I consult for these companies. I don't work full time for them. I maybe dedicate maybe 1, 2, 3 hours a week for each company. I bill about 2, 3, 4, 5K a month to these clients. And of course, that's directly to me, and it kind of counts as a salary as well. Now, the more clients I have, the more cash flow I have. But I need to remember that this is active income. So it's actually, I have to work for it. I actually have to do the consulting. So it's not really, churning itself. So I hope you've enjoyed. That is the blueprint that I am using. I am hopefully going to exit my company. I don't want to, I'm not going to lie, but I'm just going to say on paper it's £1 million. I am going to compound my stocks. I'm going to get into real estate. I'm going to continue focusing on content and consulting. It looks like I'm juggling a lot of things. Realistically, it's not, because I have people helping me. I have a team that's doing a lot of this stuff. So yeah, it is actually quite exciting, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds. But if you have enjoyed this video, it would mean a ton if you could like, subscribe and comment. I am only just starting on YouTube, but I do want to share my life and how I kind of go about doing things. But other than that, have a great day. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.